So we're gonna work with this image to apply the effect. As you can see, there's like a big contrast between the background and the clothing that I'm wearing. As you can see, I'm wearing black and the background is gray or almost white, and that's gonna help you to create this effect because there's a big contrast. And the app that I'm gonna use is gonna make things way easier if you have that kind of image, and also make sure that you don't have a lot of going on the background, so that way everything's gonna be easier. So we're gonna use this app right here. It's called Bazaar and it's very good. I use it all the time. And since we're already here, I'm gonna show you some samples that I have from the past. As you can see on this one, I took the background and I created this, and some other samples right here. This one I have a red background, and this one too. And also all the way down, as you can see, I don't have the border, the effect, because I didn't know how to do it back then. But then I kept using the app, and this is the way that you can do it, and it's easy and simple. So we're gonna just tap on the plus sign and we're gonna look for our picture, and it's gonna be right here. So now you have to tap on the image and then you're gonna get this menu. We're gonna tap on cutout, and then we're gonna use finger. We're gonna make the image bigger. You can do that with using two fingers at the same time, like any other picture in your camera roll. When you wanna make it bigger, same way. So right now I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna erase some of the background and this too. And if you make mistakes like this one right here, it's fine. You can just tap right here on undo and everything is going back to normal. So I'm gonna erase this and this. It doesn't have to be perfect because this app is so good, and this is way easier instead of doing with your finger like all over the image. So now we're now we're gonna tap right here and auto, and the app is gonna do the magic, as you can see right here. And now we're gonna tap on apply right here on the bottom, and then we're gonna tap our image right here. I'm sorry, before that I'm gonna tap on background, and I'm gonna tap on change background. I'm gonna go to colors, then black, and it's not gonna work with this image. I'm just gonna do red so I can see what I'm doing. So now I have a red background. Yeah, that's what I have. And if you make mistakes, you can always tap on undo, and as I did right now. Okay, and now you're gonna tap on the person that you wanna apply the effect, and we're gonna tap on duplicate 1, 2, 3. So you can have as many as you want, or also you can tap on them and delete it. So I'm just gonna work with this one. You have to select that image, and then we're gonna go to style and then tap on fill right here, this little icon, fill, and then you're gonna do white. So now we have this shape, and we're gonna duplicate it again. So select it, and then 1 and 2. We're gonna use 3. Most of the time I use 3 of these, and let me show you why. So we're gonna move this image on top. You have to select it and then tap on the arrow and then move up, and then this image is gonna be up and the other ones are gonna be down. So now you only have to grab this shape right here and place it like this. I'm gonna do undo. You have to, sometimes it takes more than once to get it done. Okay, so that's one. Then I'm gonna do this one. I made a mistake again. You can always tap on undo and start all over again. This is 2, and as you can see, I have the right side and the left side, and like as you can see right here on my hair, my shoulders, I'm missing the effect, and this is why I have a third shape, and I'm just gonna place it there. I don't know, but for some reason the third one is the most difficult. Like the app sometimes doesn't help, like it does it by itself and it goes all the way down. So sometimes you gotta try multiple times to get it right. Oh, that was close. As you can see, it goes down and goes up. That's the only thing that I don't like about this app. Okay, I finally got it. It took me a while. So once you have the old shapes on the background, you can tap on the actual background, and then we're gonna delete it. Just as you can see this arrow right here, just tap on it and delete the background. So you have to, right now if you save the image, it's gonna save it with a white background. We don't want that. Before you save the image, you have to tap on done, as you can see right now, and then go back to the image and then save image, and then you're gonna see it in your camera roll, and everything is gonna be good to go, so you can use this picture in the future on your thumbnails, and it's gonna drive more clicks on your channel. Here's another sample that I have. This one right here, this one. So I did the effect with the app, so you can also do it. This is the easiest way that I found. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.